Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use ChatGPT plugins in 2025. These plugins give ChatGPT superpowers by letting it connect with outside tools for certain tasks like research, travel booking, or analyzing the documents. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on chatgpt.com. Then you need to log in into your account. In order to access the ChatGPT plugins or GPTs, you need to click on the ChatGPT's icon here in the top left hand corner of the screen. Then select the option of GPTs. Over here, you will find a bunch of different plugins. Like in the top picks, you will see some of the featured plugins that we have right for free and Scholar GPT. Then if you just scroll down, you will find some of the trending GPTs. So you can also use these tabs that are given over here in order to take a look at the current trending, and according to your own niche, the plugins are available here. You can also use the search bar here in the top in order to search for the plugin. For example, let's say you are interested in this particular plugin, which is Scholar GPT. After clicking on the plugin, it is going to take some time and show you the option just like so. So here, click on the option of start chat. Now you can start giving it the prompt just like so. Then it is going to give you the response based on the topic that you have selected. For some plugins, it is going to ask you for allowing the access. So this is the extra step that you need to do. Now, in order to pin your plugin, you need to click on the ChatGPT's icon here in the left hand section. Then right next to the plugin that you have used, simply click on the three dots, then click on the option of keep in sidebar. So whenever you open your project of ChatGPT next time, you will see all of your plugins here. So you can just click on that and start using it very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.